Assalamu alaikum classmates. Today our topic is subtraction of big numbers. Page number 20. Question number 1. Copy and complete. You have to copy these questions and then you have to subtract. I have solved part B and H, but you have to solve all the parts of this question. First, we have written the question. Now we have to subtract unit digit from unit digit, tens digit from tens digit, 100 from 100, so on. First subtract 2 from 9. 9 minus 2, answer is 7. Now we have subtract 4 from 2, which is not possible. So we have to take carry from 3, the digit before 2. Now it becomes 12. Subtract 4 from 12, answer is 8. We have taken carry 1 from 3, now 3 has become 2. Subtract 1 from 2. 2 minus 1, answer is 1. Put comma. Now subtract 8 from 7, which is also not possible. So we have to take carry from 4. Now 7 becomes 17, but 4 is now 3. So subtract 8 from 17, answer is 9. Now subtract 3 from 3, answer is 0. Subtract 5 from 6, answer is 1, and then put comma, and now subtract 4 from 5, answer is 1. 5 minus 4, 1, and then 4 minus 1, which is 3. So it is our answer. In the same pattern, I have solved I have written part H. Now we are going to solve. We have to subtract unit from unit or ones from ones, tens from tens, 100 from hundreds, 1000 from 1000, 10,000 from 10,000, and so on. So first we start from unit digit, unit place digit. Subtract 0 from 9. 9 minus 0, answer is 0. 2 minus 2, answer is 9 minus 0, answer is 9. 2 minus 2, answer is 0. And we have to subtract 4 from 0, which is not possible. So again we have to take carry from the digit before 0, which is 3. Now 0 becomes 10 and 3 has become 2. Subtract 4 from 10. 10 minus 4, 6. Put comma, and now subtract 6 from 2. Subtracting 6 from 2 is also not possible. So we have to take carry. It will become 12. 12 minus 6, answer is 6, and this 0 has become 9. So 9 minus 1, answer is 8. 9, it was 0. How was it possible to take carry from 0? First 0 has taken carry from this, but it is also 0 digit. So this 0 will take carry 1 from 7, 7 will become 6, and this 0 will become 10. Then it will give 1 to this 0 and it will become 9. This 10 will give 1 carry to this digit, it will become 12, and now you have subtract 6 from 12. 12 minus 6, answer is 6. 9 minus 1, answer 8. 9 minus 8, answer 1. 6 minus 0, answer 6. 2 minus 1, answer is 1. So it is your answer. Now question number 2. Write sums to answer. Part A. From the greatest 7-digit number in Pakistani system. You have to write this greatest 7-digit number in Pakistani system, and then subtract smaller 6-digit number. It is also in Pakistani system. So greatest 7-digit number in Pakistani system. Remember that greatest digit will become with the help of 9, because greatest digit is 9. So when you have to make a greatest digit, you have to write as many digits as the digits are required in your question. So here you have to make greatest 7-digit number, so you have to write 7 nines. And you know that in Pakistani system we place the comma after 100, 1, 10, 100, then 1000, 10,000. After 10,000 we put the comma. So put commas after 100 and after 10,000 and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nines. It has become greatest 7 digit number. And now smallest 6 digit number. When you have to make smallest 6 digit number, you have to write zeros with 1. Start from 1 and then write remaining zeros. You have to make 6 digit smallest number. First write 1 and then 5 zeros with this and put comma after 100 and 10,000. Now subtract 9 minus 0, answer is 9, 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 0, 9, so on. 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 1, 8 and last 98. So it is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 98 lakh 99,999 is your answer. Next part B. Find the difference between the greatest 8 digit number but in international system and the greatest 5 digit number. Greatest 8 digit number is write 98 and in international system we place comma after 100 and 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. So you have to put commas according to international system. Greatest 5 digit number you have to write 5 lines. So subtract these numbers. 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0, again 9 minus 9 0 0 and then 9. After this 9 you have no any digits, so write these 3 9s as it is and put commas according to international system. So we have answer ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and then million, 10 million. So 99,900,000 is your answer.